Hello everyone. Today I have received the cruise control. It is coming in a simple box with the barcode and reference here, and we will open. I have chosen the cheapest one without any wires. This is for the pre-wired cars, so it is coming as simple, just the remote or the command. Remove that and just wire and the control. This one is, I think, with the LED inside. It is shining or glowing in blue color, so later I will fix it behind here and we will see how it will looks like. So today, as I told you, I have received the remote, the cruise control, and it's coming as a control and wire. And the thing is to install this cruise control on this Yaris. This is a 2011 model, and what I search or what I find on the net is that this car is coming pre-wired, so the wires already there, and it is also an automatic gear. It's not manual, so this is the good thing. The accelerator will be a sensor. It's not a wire. It's not a cable actually. So for this car, what to do is first thing is to remove the battery, discharge the car from any electric inside the circuits. Then we have to remove the airbag. So how to remove the airbag is there is two screw, one from this side, I think you cannot see it, and one from the other side, and we have to remove this cover and then remove the airbag. It will be wire, so we have to put it here close to the wires, and then install this or assemble this with the screw here, and we will find a place for this wire. After that, normally when we click on cruise control, an LED light or an indicator will be showing here in our screen here.